Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your Lefun Health Smartwatch to your phone and set the time and date. The first step is to make sure that your smartwatch is using the Lefun Health application by scanning the QR code on the watch. If your smartwatch is using any other application like Fit Pro, Refine or iWatch Pro, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these applications. Install the Lefun Health application from your App Store or Play Store. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your smartphone and make sure that your smartphone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter an email address to access the application. You will then receive a code to enter in the app. As you can see, the watch has been successfully connected to my phone and the time and date have been updated. Here is a video on how to set the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.